Okay, another example of integration by parts in which you may have to do integration by parts 2 times or more to solve the equation. So here's our formula. Let's take the integral of x squared times e to the x dx. And by our formula, this is going to be equal to, we choose our a to be e to the x like last time. Our a prime will also be e to the x. Our b will be x squared, and our b prime will be 2x. So when we rewrite this, that's going to equal a times b, which is e times x squared minus the integral of b prime a. Well, b prime is 2x, a is e to the x, so we really haven't gotten very far in our simplification of this integral, but what we can do is factor the 2 out. So I'll rewrite that down here. We're going to have 2 times the integral x e to the x, and then we're going to have this quantity here still out front, so we're going to have x squared e to the x out front there. And we evaluated this integral here last time over here, and so we know that integration by parts yields this here for the integral of that. So if we apply integration by parts again, we should get that same answer multiplied by this factor of 2. So we will get e to the x times x squared minus 2 times, well, we're going to have x e to the x minus the integral e to the x times 1, and that's going to be dx. So I got this just from what we solved last time using integration by parts. So if we integrate this and distribute everything, we're going to have an e to the x squared minus 2 times, well, this is going to be x e to the x, and then if we're subtracting this, we're going to actually end up with a plus 2 e to the x. And so this should be our answer.